Hi, I'm Luke Timmerman, the founder and editor of the Timmerman Report and a contributing writer at Forbes. I'm here at the Bio CEO and Investor Conference in New York with Congressman Fred Upton, a Republican from Michigan, to my left, and next to him, Congresswoman Diana DeGette, a Democrat from Colorado. They're both leading the charge for what's called the 21st Century Cures Act. And I'd like to ask you two, what do you hope to accomplish with this new bill?
Well, a lot. This is going to be a major initiative in this Congress. Diana and I have been working together as friends, as colleagues, as member of the Energy and Commerce Committee to see what we can do to expedite the approval of drugs and devices across the country. 10,000 different diseases, 500 cures. We're seeing, tell me a family that's not impacted by this. There are none. Cancer, diabetes, MS, whatever. What can we do to help the right people actually develop and then produce the cures for these different illnesses? We've been on a listening session for literally the last year and a half, and we're hoping to move positive legislation through the Congress in the months ahead.
Really, the way our research happens in this country hasn't kept up with technology or with medical advances and discoveries. After the mapping of the genome, we can now have individualized, personalized medicine for people. With technology and the internet, we can aggregate data about patients so that we can streamline clinical trials. And really the goal here is to expedite the research so that we can have research for all these diseases and to get it much more quickly to clinical application. So that's the goal of 21st Century Cures.
Now this is a bipartisan push. I mean, you're a Republican, you're a Democrat, you don't seem to mind being in the same room.
No.
Most days.
No, we have made sure that it's not bipartisan, it's nonpartisan. But we have been working together. We've had probably 20-some different roundtables, subcommittee hearings, and discussions around the country, listening to the whole universe, from patient groups to researchers, the administration, the NIH, the FDA, pharmaceutical companies. What is it that they can tell us that helps us get to the finish line a lot faster and cheaper than it is today?
So it's like I always say, disease doesn't just affect Republicans or Democrats, it affects everybody. And so we've had enormous interest on the Republican side of the aisle from Democrats, from House and Senate, and from the administration to trying to figure out how to make this work in a much better way. So we're all working together towards this end.
And how much money is being set aside for this?
Well, we haven't got a dollar sum yet. Obviously, we use the NIH, we use the FDA. I think most observers say that, yes, those budgets will have to be increased to try and get to the desired outcome, but we haven't figured out what that amount is.
We do know it's going to cost money, and there's recognition on both sides of the aisle that if we're really going to think big like we are here, then we're going to have to pay for that. And so we're drafting the bill right now. We'll see how much it costs, and then we'll go and talk to the appropriators.
Great. Best of luck. Thanks for being here.
Thanks.
Thanks so much.